Good morning, students. This is chapter 5, and now we are going to study about sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Okay, student, sedimentation. What is the process of sedimentation? You can write down in the process of sedimentation. To understand sedimentation, decantation and filtration, firstly we do an activity. In this activity we take some muddy water, or we can take water in a container and add some dust particle and sand in this water and mix it, and we take of it for few minutes. After few minutes विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग हम क्या करेंगे कि एक कंटेनर में वाटर लेंगे और उसमें सैंड और डस्ट को मिक्स कर लेंगे. मिक्स करने के बाद उसको ऐसे छोड़ देंगे विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग, बिना डिस्टर्बिंग किए. फिर हम उसे ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कुछ मिनट बाद, तो देखेंगे क्या कि जो सैंड के पार्टिकल्स हैं वो सेटल डाउन हो गए रहेंगे और वाटर जो है ऊपर आ गया रहेगा. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड सेडिमेंटेशन. द सेडिमेंटेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ settle down of heavier particles in the bottom of the container in the mixture of water and sand. Okay, नेक्स्ट इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे कि वाटर को निकाल लेंगे उसमें से, ठीक है, और सैंड को छोड़ देंगे, ठीक है. तो वाटर को जब हम ये निकाल लेंगे सैंड को उसमें ऐसे, तो डस्ट, वाटर में डस्ट भी होगा. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड डिकैंटेशन. द प्रोसेस ऑफ removing of water with the dust is called removing in the after a sedimentation process. This is called decantation. अब now you can see filtration. तो filtration क्या है? In the process of filtration we filtered water with the help of filter paper. हम filter paper के help से वाटर में जो इम्प्यूरिटीज हैं, कैसी इम्प्यूरिटीज, इनसॉल्युबल इम्प्यूरिटीज को रिमूव करने का जो प्रोसेस है उसको फिल्ट्रेशन कहते हैं. नाउ वी हैव डू एन एक्टिविटी 5. इन एक्टिविटी 5 in activity 5 you have to do filtration of muddy water. In activity 5 you take some muddy water and you filter it with the help of filter paper. And now I hope you understand sedimentation, decantation and filtration. And student, if you have, I again repeat sedimentation, the process of removing the process of settle down of heavier particles in the mixture of water and sand. This is called sedimentation. And other mixture. Decantation, removal of water in the mixture of water and sand. This is called decantation. And filtration, the process of removal of insoluble impurities in water with the help of filter paper is called filtration. Okay student, and if you have any problem you can ask me. And in activity 2 you have to do filtration of water, muddy water. And your homework is do activity 5, and you make a video of activity 5, and you have to share me on my personal WhatsApp number. And student, I hardly instruct you, you have to do your homework regularly and send me on my personal WhatsApp number 70612485 630. And if you have not sent your homework, I will ask to your parents. Okay, student? And if you have any problem, you can ask me. But you have to do homework. It is necessary. You must do your homework. Okay, student? Now you keep study, and we will meet in next video with next topic.